Hello, all you beautiful people. How are you? Hoping you're good. Let's have a look at phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs are verbs plus prepositions for the most part. There are some other variations, but don't worry too much. Most of them are verbs plus prepositions. Now, the preposition changes the meaning of the verb, and this is the important part. So let's have a look how this works. Now, we're going to need subjects, we're going to need verbs, we're going to need prepositions, we're going to need objects, and we're going to need object pronouns because things change a little when we use object pronouns. Okay, so let's start. Let's start with a subject like I. I take. Now, I take off. Now, take off means remove. So, I take off my shoes. Nice and easy. I take off my shoes, which means I remove my shoes. Now, many phrasal verbs are separable. What does that mean? Well, separable phrasal verbs means that we can separate the verb and the preposition with the object. So, let's see how that works. Right, the object is my shoes and the preposition is off. So, I can separate the verb and the preposition with the object. So I can say, I take my shoes off. Same meaning, just a change in word order. I can also say, I take off my shoes. Both are possible. Now, if I want to use an object pronoun, the object pronoun for my shoes would be them. Now, if I use a phrasal verb that is separable and I use the object pronoun, I must put the object pronoun between the verb and the preposition. So I take them off is correct and I take off them is incorrect. So just be careful of this detail.